Welcome to Home Tech Decisions. Today I am going to be talking to you about SmartThings, from the hub to the water leak sensors to the door and window sensors and everything in between. SmartThings is a great way to start, especially if you're just getting into the smart home technology. What I mean by that is it's very easy to use, very user-friendly. It's very expandable. You can start with a couple of different things and then keep expanding as you see fit. So in all of these items that you see here, from the water sensor, the motion sensor, the outlets, and the multi-purpose sensor, like your door and your window sensors, we've all talked about in previous episodes, so you feel free to check those out down below. But what we're going to talk about mainly here today is the usability, the functionality of a lot of these things, and how easy it is to use these as a newbie. So you'll want to start with the hub. The hub is like the brain of everything, right? And then you'll probably want to get some window sensors, some door sensors, so you can know when your doors are open, your windows are open. Just makes you feel a little bit more secure that no one's going to open your door or your window without you knowing. Now the water leak sensors are highly recommended, especially if you own your own home. Put these in the basement, anywhere where water could come in. Last year I had terrible flooding in my basement and I didn't have a water sensor. Now I have them everywhere. So if I would have had them down there, we would have been able to jump ahead of that and save all of our carpeting. But now we do. The motion sensors and the outlets are another great item to have. The motion sensor it can help with energy savings, home security, those different kind of things. Rooms that you're not in all of the time, you can put motion sensors in there, so as soon as you go in there, the lights can turn on, and then as soon as you leave the room, you don't have to worry about turning the lights off. They'll just turn off automatically, which is awesome. I have a little kid and she loves to just run into rooms, turn the light on, run out and forget it. So we put one in there and then it turns the light off, which has helped save us a lot. And then outlets are a great way to also save energy. They're also a great way to monitor the energy usage of things and just actually shut off that electrical connection to things that you don't use a whole lot. A lot of these you can use Google, you can use Amazon, or Alexa, you can use Alexa, so you can say, hey Google, do this for me. Hey Amazon, or hey Alexa, do this for me, which is awesome. It's so convenient. You don't have to run to the other side of the room, flip on a switch. You can just ask your assistant to do it. These are all Zigbee functionalities. Some have Z-Wave, some have Wi-Fi, some are just Zigbee, so make sure to check out which one works best for you and stick with that. We like to stick with the same products, so if you buy a SmartThing, they are very compatible with multiple different products, but sometimes you'll just want to stick with some of the main ones so it's a little bit easier for that connection and usability. We hope this has been very, very helpful for you in your decision-making process. We do recommend SmartThings as a platform for you to jump off and get started. And again, we hope this has been helpful for you, and stay tuned for future episodes. Take care.